name is Farah from the Experience Jordan Adventures team. Throughout this video, I'll be explaining more about what you need to pack for our fully supported down to Petra hike. What we mean by fully supported is that your luggage will be transferred from one place to another, and during your hike, you'll only be carrying your day pack. We'll be talking about three main things: equipment, clothing, and personal items. So to start with equipment, you need a duffel bag for your luggage, which will be transferred as we said, and you need a day pack which you'll be carrying during the hike. For knee support during the hike, we recommend you have trekking poles, and for water, we either use the water bladder or reusable bottles. As for clothing, of course, you need hiking pants, and women can use leggings as well. For hotter days, you can also wear shorts. For colder nights and early mornings, you need a fleece to keep you warm, and when it's colder sometimes, we recommend you have a light down jacket. For windy days, you need a windbreaker, and of course for rainy days, you need a rain jacket. For a comfortable and blister-free hike, of course, you need good hiking shoes, breathable with a high ankle, and you need good hiking socks to go with that as well. Most days are sunny in Jordan, so you'll need to be protecting yourself from any sunburns. We recommend you have a round hat, which protects all round, and a buff, which you can wear on your neck to protect from sunburns, or you can wear as a bandana as well. For colder nights or colder days, you'll need your grandpa beanies. For upper part, you can wear hiking shirts or sport shirts, something that is quick dry, and we recommend long sleeves to protect you from the sun. As for personal items, of course you need sunblock, lip balm, a small personal first aid kit, your toiletries, a quick dry towel, a power bank to charge, and a headlamp. Of course, those are all recommendations. Feel free to bring whatever makes you feel more comfortable or you think you would need. We look forward to welcoming you here in Jordan. Of course, don't forget your PJs.